Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very important topic that affects everyone who uses the internet: phishing. Now, you might be wondering, what is phishing? Well, let me explain it in a way that even a child can understand. Imagine you're playing a game and someone comes along pretending to be your friend. They might ask you to share your precious game items with them, saying they'll take good care of them. But here's the catch. They're not really your friend. They're just pretending to be, and their real intention is to take your items and use them for their own benefit. That's what phishing is all about, tricking you into giving away something valuable. When it comes to the internet, phishing works in a similar way. Instead of pretending to be your friend, a phisher will pretend to be a trustworthy company or organization. They'll send you a message, maybe an email or a text, asking for your personal information like your passwords or credit card details. They might say there's a problem with your account and they need your help to fix it. But be careful, because by giving them your information, you're actually falling into their trap. Now, you might be wondering why anyone would do such a thing. Well, the truth is, phishers are often after money or valuable information. They can use your personal data to make unauthorized purchases, steal your identity, or even gain access to your bank accounts. They may also sell your information to others who will misuse it. It's a dangerous business, and the consequences can be quite severe. So, how can you protect yourself from phishing? The best defense is knowledge and awareness. Always be skeptical when you receive messages asking for your personal information. Legitimate organizations will never ask for such details through email or text. If you suspect something, don't click on any links or provide any information. Instead, contact the company directly using a trusted phone number or website. And remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. In conclusion, phishing is a sneaky way for people to trick you into giving away your personal information. By being aware of the risks and following some simple precautions, you can keep yourself safe online. Remember, don't trust everything you see or receive online, and always double-check before sharing any personal information. Do you want to learn more? You are in the right place. Don't hesitate to talk to us. Stay safe and thank you for watching.